Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, today we will learn about the implementation of Pancasila values. Pancasila has important values that are useful for life in society and the country. So what are these values? Let's explore them in this video. This is our learning objective. There are two learning objectives. First, a student will be able to identify the meaning of each Pancasila principle. And then second, student will be able to identify the practice of Pancasila values in community, national, and state life. This is our glossary. You must remember it before you learn more about the implementation of Pancasila values. Pancasila comes from Sanskrit. Pancha means five and Sila means principle or foundation or basis. Pancasila has values in its five principles. These values are the foundation for our life in society and nation. Let's talk about them. Do you know the symbol of Pancasila? Yes, the symbol of Pancasila is Garuda Pancasila. Garuda symbolizes the strength and courage of the Indonesian nation, and the shell of Garuda chest represent Pancasila, and five symbols on the shell stand for five principles of Pancasila, and the golden color symbolize glory and greatness, and then number of firstness represent the death of proclamation, and motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika means unity in diversity, showing the unity of the Indonesian people. Fun fact, Sultan Hamid II designed the Garuda Pancasila, including its symbol. This is the pyramid of Pancasila values. Sila 1, believe in God as our basis. This is the foundation. All action and values must be based on Sila 1. And then Sila number 2, 3, and 4 as the process. Sila 2, humanity. It means treat everyone must fairly and politely. And unity, Sila number 3 means strength than national unity. And Sila number 4, democracy, build a government that's fair and for the people. These three are the process we must follow together. And Sila number 5, social justice as our goal, the top of the pyramid. This is the final goal, means a fair and prosperous life for all Indonesians. It can only be reached if the foundation and process work together. So, the five principles, the five sila must work together. If all run together, Indonesian becomes just, united, democratic, and prosperous. So, let's talk about the value of each principle. Sila number 1, believe in the one and only God. The value of first principle teach us to believe in one God. It shows that Indonesia is a nation with a religion, not a nation of atheism. The meaning of the symbol, the star is a symbol of light. It means God gives light and life to all people. This is official religion in Indonesia. And then Sila number 2, just and civilized humanity. The value of just and civilized humanity means that everyone should treat all people fairly and kindly. The meaning of the symbol, the golden chain, represents justice and humanity, showing that all people are connected and should be treated equally. Sila number 3, the unity of Indonesia. The value of the unity of Indonesia means respecting the nation's diversity. Everyone should build unity in this diversity. The meaning of the symbol, the banyan tree, represents the unity of Indonesia because its big branch gives shelter to all and its roots show the many groups and cultures united as one nation. And Sila number 4, there is democracy led by the wisdom of the representatives of the people. The fourth principle of Pancasila means living in democracy, where the government prioritizes the people's interests. The meaning of the symbol, the bull's head, shows democracy because bulls live in groups like people who must work and decide together. And then Sila number 5, there is social justice for all Indonesians. The value of fifth principle means treating everyone fairly so that Indonesians can live in peace and well-being. This principle is also goal of the Indonesian nation. The meaning of the symbol, the rice and cotton, show social justice because they are basic needs, so reminding us that everyone should live fairly. And then this is the implementation of Pancasila values in community life. The implementation of Pancasila values in community life means applying them in daily life to create a peaceful, fair, and united society. Sila number 1, first is worship according to each religion, and number 2, living in harmony in religious life, or 3, kerukunan, harmony within the same religion, harmony among different religions, harmony between religions and the government, and 3, there is respect other religions. And then Sila number 2, first is treat everyone equally, 2, care for other people, 3, be fair to others, 4, live politely, 5, respect human rights. Sila number 3, first, respect differences, 2, gotong royong or work together, 3, use Indonesian language in the community, wear batik, and do your best for the nation. Sila number 4, there are listen to everyone before deciding, make decisions together or musyawarah, respect group decision, take responsibility for actions, and do not force your own will. And for Sila number 5, there are help people in need, balance right and responsibilities, treat everyone equally, care for the poor and weak, and follow rules for the good of all. Next, the implementation of Pancasila values in national life. The implementation of Pancasila values in national life means using Pancasila values in government rules and action to make life fair, united, and good for everyone in Indonesia. This is the implementation of first principle in national life. First is ensure that people follow and practice their own religion, and everyone must have a religion, and government helps solve religious conflicts. And then sila number 2, there are protect everyone with rules, have institution to stop violence and discrimination like Komnas HAM, and then last, punish those who violate human rights. And sila number 3, there are keep and develop local culture, respect local languages, and promote Indonesian culture. And then sila number 4, there are elections. Anyone can be in the government and freedom to speak and gather. And then last, sila number 5, there are make social programs for all citizens like BPJS or KIP. And then number 2, receive financial help like bansos and get legal protection. So for this chapter, we can conclude the values of Pancasila are guide for our daily life. By following all 5 principles together, we can live fairly, politely, united, and in harmony. Pancasila helps us live well in society and build a strong and prosperous nation. That's it for our video. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.